to groceries. So this is the way. Nag-auto mi kay lain kay panahon basig muulan. We are mi sa Winkle Center. So diha daw mi mag-grocery. Parking namin. Diha mi mag-grocery. Tag-iya anak kay chairman. This is the chocolates for the diabetes. Tuara siya nag-unang. Ang butog unsa mga ingredients niya kuhaon. Ako kabalo kay iyahaning menu dili ako It's not.
Nee, wat champignonsaus mee.
That one? That sauce?
Nee, dat is niet lekker op.
This champignon.
Ja, champignon.
Ja.
Nee,
Ja.
dat is jus, die hebben we.
Yeah, I have that one in the house.
Kaassaus.
So magbayad na mi. Where are the next? So dali ra kayo mi na grocery. On our way home. Manami og grocery, padulong na pud mi sa balay para iluto ang iyang menu. So these are the ingredients for Eric Ard apple met. My love, Ard apple met Blomkool. Ard apple met Blomkool. This is the Blomkool, the cauliflower. And mauni iyang sagol. Apple moss. Kana siya, magulat ko kung unsaon niya pag luto. How he cook this Ard apple met Blomkool. The first time for me. His menu. So first, panit-panit to sa potato. Peeling off the potato. Ako siyang sayawag balay while nga putol yung ulo kay taas mo siya kaayo ako na magita. Alin mi? So i-boil na niya iyang putol. So paspas kay siya paspas kay ako ship cook ba. Sus, mahal kay bayad unya ni ba? Sus, saka kung bayad ani no tagnaan ninyo mga manshis. Bayaran ako siya og secret. Daya jukong gipagluto Butang kay akong dudong ba. First time niya ha. This is the first time he cooked for me a Dutch food. Dili gid siya patabang ako siya ra gyud magluto. Buotan kay dudong nako Kiti-kiti ba ako siya muluto paspas kaayo mga lagpot good. Mulayo na lang ko, basig-masikan ko niya. Tora, yan, nagbutang asin. Asin! 1 kilo ang asin. My gosh! Magkasakit ko, ani, o kidney. Tora, buutan kis dudong, Ang Blomkool na pod. Ang cauliflower ni sa to ay ang pikas-pikas, Kabalo, maday akong dudong muluto, Tamad lang siya sa kusina ba, dili-hili. Ang Blomkool, iyang gibutang sa kaldero man, i-boil siguro niya. Tanawon lang nako. Kay wala jud ko kabalo. It had a day about this menu. Diara akong bag-o nga pampahid sa body ang gipalit. Dako, lahi na pud ni siya pero eucalyptus lang gihapon. Na ay aloe vera. Tinangga kay ko niya no. Dancer gusto ni Eric pag magluto kay karon pa siya nagluto na ako. This is the first time ha. Hala, butangan pwede ay nilag sausage. O, lami, gini kayo ba? Wow, it's liquor! Wow. So, salt na po doon. 1 ka kilo. Dili pa dyan ko niya patabahon. My love yan. My love. I'm happy.
I have to read because I cannot see it.
Mag-ilis ko ba? Panamura prinsesa kay ako siya
Do you have
palitan.
milk or not?
No, I don't have milk. In my breast, my love, I have milk here. You like my milk here?
Yeah, I take
Here,
it.
here, here. You pump a milk here. It's good. You find a milk in the cold cast. Busy ka siya.
I've learned the hard way to never let it get that far. Because of you, I never stray too far from the sidewalk.
Gamit mo lutuan, upat, 4. So, nag-milk na yung butter. I don't know what's the next steps. Yeah. So, you put a half cup of water. Too big, too big. My level.
Closed off from love, I didn't need the pain. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen.
Sayawan ako siya parang ganahan.
Something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melted to the ground, found something true. And everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy.
Busy na siya.
You cut me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love.
Sige na. Wow.
But something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melted to the ground, found something true. And everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy.
What?
But I don't care what they say.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and of course subscribe my channel. I hope you are enjoying. Till next time again, try to watch our video. Bye for now.
Bye.
Ah!
Ah!